Welcome to Val's Sweet Kitchen. Today we're making chocolate covered cherries, and this is the perfect way to use the rest of those maraschino cherries left over from when you made the pina colada cake. You can also use fresh cherries. I'm going to make both here. And I'm going to show you a cool kitchen gadget to use for these and for cherry pies. So let's go have some fun. So this is real easy. In a large bowl, take 2½ cups of powdered sugar, 1/4 cup of unsalted butter, a teaspoon of vanilla or almond extract, and a tablespoon of the maraschino juice or water, plus you're going to add a teaspoon as needed, and then you just mix them all together to make a paste. I'm going to use my hands because I find it's just that much easier, and I have on food grade gloves just to be on the safe side. If it doesn't come together, feel free to add another teaspoon of water. But be careful not to add too much water too quickly, or you'll get a lava-like type mixture. The only way to fix that is to A, add more powdered sugar and butter, or B, give it to Fat Sam and start over. Fat Sam is my backyard squirrel who got fat from my kitchen goose. That's him there eating one of my over-baked cake edges. When it gets to the consistency of Play-Doh, then it's ready. That'll go right around the cherries. And set that aside while we go pit the cherries. And this is a cool kitchen gadget. It's a cherry pitter. You can put in 6 cherries at a time. Comes in real handy for a fresh cherry pie and for chocolate covered cherries too. Just place a cherry in each little container. So once you have your paste, the consistency of Play-Doh, you'll want to make a nice even coat surrounding the cherry. I just make a little cup, put my cherry in, and close it off. So I just make a little cup, close it and roll it. You can make it as thick as you like or as thin as you want to. Put it on some parchment paper. The paper is insurance that it's not going to stick to the tray, and we're going to need it later when we coat them in chocolate. Oh, and later on I'm going to show you how to make a cone from parchment paper. You can use it to drizzle the white melts as decoration. And while they're chilling, let's heat up the chocolate. This is 10 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate. You might need more or less depending upon the size of your cherries and how thick you make your coating. I also add a tablespoon of shortening to make it more soupy and easier to coat the cherries. And all you do is put it in the microwave for 1 minute and then 30-second intervals afterwards. Okay, so now you take one of your cherries, they're all firmed up, poke it on the end, dip it in, Just let it drain off. Tapping on the side helps. Then get a little bit of chocolate. There. Let's do that again. When you have them all coated, put the tray back in the refrigerator to firm up the shell. Okay, so while our cherries are chilling, let's make the parchment cone. All you do is take a square of parchment paper, and you do that by folding it over, just like this. And cut down the line, because 2 triangles equal a square. Finally, some math from high school. And then cut down your long line. Now, on the long edge, take your 2 little, put them together. Just make a little crease right there. And then take this one. See how that goes? And you want a nice straight line. You can fold it over to help it stay. I just staple it. And there you go. The white melts that I'm using for decoration it's such a small amount that it only took like 2 zaps of 30-second intervals. So we'll just put that right in the cone. All you have to do is cut at the end and go. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Leave your thoughts in the comments below.